those puffs tasty? Mmm. Mmm, puffs. Mmm, puffs, huh? Yum. So good. Mom should have put a bib on you, huh? Ugh. Messy face. Okay, resume eating. Don't let me stop you. It's snack time. Snack time with baby Eli. Say hi. Hi. I'm eating my puffs. I'm eating my puffs. They're so good. They're so good, huh? I love my puffs. Mmm. Turns out he does not like fruit flavored puffs. No strawberry puffs. No pear, cinnamon apple. No. You like cheesy puffs. Chicken's done. So I like the cheesy puffs, Mom. I don't like those sweet ones. Am I lying? Am I lying on you? No. I'm just telling the truth. Huh. Don't be shy. Go ahead. You were chowing down on puffs before. Mm-hmm. Can I have one? I'm gonna have a puff. Mom's gonna have a puff. Say my puffs. Here you go. No, you don't want this one? You're gonna feed yourself? Okay. There you go. That's a good one. They're so good. Okay, well, Eli, this is not very exciting. This is not very exciting. I guess I'll stop videotaping you and let you have your snack in peace. Okay? Okay. Okay, Eli. Can you say bye?